Hello once again, my lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make this nice hot pink leaf antique earring. I mean, it has a lot of names. I mean, as you can see, it looks so beautiful. And then this is actually a gemstone, which is about 8 to 10 millimeters. Yes, and this is an antique antique charm, leaf charm. There's another, this is a spacer, antique spacer, silver spacer bead here. And I mean, they all come together to make this beautiful earring. Now stick with me and let's get started. Okay, so on today's tutorial I'm going to use this 8 to 10 millimeter gemstone, hot pink gemstone. I'm also going to use this leaf antique charm. I would use this spacer. It's also an antique one, silver spacer. I would use this earring hooks. I'm actually going to use just one silver earring hook, and then I would use this flat head pin, yeah. And then sorry to say I don't know the measurements for this, but it's quite okay for this, or it's just okay for the length of this earring, yeah. So let's get started. Now to begin with, I'm going to just insert my gemstone right here. Now I push it up a little bit, and then what I do is I bend. Now by doing this, I want to create this hoop that I've done here. Now I'm not a professional of creating these kind of hoops, but so please bear with me. Now to get this, the truth of the matter is I had to go through it 2-3 times, just throw away head pins, 2 or 3 of them, before I was able to get the actual round thing here. So I'm still a beginner and I'm learning, okay. But with this I don't measure. What I do is, I mean, looking at this measurement, I think is okay for the hoop. So what I do is that I bend it right from here. You hold it from this side so that this side doesn't bend. So what I do is I just bend it like that, okay. Yeah, I bend it from this side to create the hoop, and then I take my round nose plier, then I hold from the marked place that I have marked a place where on my round nose where I used to make my hoops, so that it makes the same measurement as the other pair, okay. So I mean, on camera you cannot really see it. So what I do is that it's turning. It's just giving me a hard time right now. So what I do is that I turn 1, twice, and then I don't have to forget to put my leaf charm, okay, and then I close it like that, yeah. Okay, it's not very perfect, but it's okay, simply because I changed the okay, yeah. So this place is a little bent. What I have to do is I just have to straighten it up with my hand, my fingers, like so. Okay, so from this end I have to cut this side, the flat end here, okay. Then I continue with my spacer, like so. Yeah, and then at this end I have to bend again to create another hoop like so, and this is actually quite long, so what I have to do is I need to cut a little bit. Now sometimes I just have to use my fingers to detect where I have to. So, and at certain times, so I make mistakes. What can I do? So what I have to do is I just cut from this end. Yeah, and then I had to hold from the end here to make my hoop. Now before I close it, I need to put in my earring hook. Like so. And then I close. I think I've been having fun with this. So easy and so simple. Very easy. It's not anything that you should struggle about. The only problem is with the hoops, how to create them, you know. And so I'm really having fun with this kind of tutorial. It's really easy, and when you are in business you can really make tons and tons of these, you know. They are very easy. You can make like I think 10 in a day if you really want to do this. They are very simple to make and they are very unique. They don't come like the normal earrings we know, you know, and they look so expensive. Really, to me they really look so expensive. If you have so many, you have different kinds of spaces and different kinds of beads and charms, you could add everything together and then you are good to go, you know. So if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, please share, like, and don't forget to comment. And just if you feel there's any mistakes or somewhere, let me know. We can never be right, you know. We just try to make things work in our own way, and keep up the good work. Please try to practice each and every blessed day, and then you'll be better. Have a nice time and God bless you. See you. Bye.